three of our leads, and they are Liu Yuqiao, Edwin Lee, as well as Jenny Sun, as well as our scriptwriter, as well as intimacy coordinator, Annabelle Tayi. OK， 係我哋嘅親密指導同埋編劇 ，thank you。OK， 時間有限，因為仲有下一場要講，於是即刻問問題好唔好啊？好。We don't have a lot of time, so please, if you have a question, raise your hand. I will immediately call you. 似乎第一行呢度即刻有啦。唔該，第一行。
哇！呢度真係好犀利咯，即係睇完之後咧，覺得嗰個
小姐問題係冇時間，
真係呢度點樣好似成班語我哋都唔係好熟悉嘅面孔，點解可以令到佢哋可以咁做得咁隨心所欲咧？
Want to know how our director manages to get magic out of this cast, some of whom might not be familiar to the film scene.
其實我好少攞最佳導演嘅，但係我啲演員成日都攞獎，就係咁。多謝。
I rarely win prizes at the award of best director, but I can tell you a lot of my actors often get best actor and best actress. Thank you。好，下一個問題。對唔住啊，真係要趕住你哋啦。冇問題啊，喂。No questions。邊度？我睇唔到。好啦，你哋幫我揀啦。中間有人舉咗手㗎係咪？好。企起身啦係咪 ？Standing up。Good。
謝謝。我想問一下，就是在這個舞蹈在整個電影當中，舞蹈出現了一些變化。一開始是超峰更加喜歡中國舞，然後到後面有了 rocking。我想問這樣的變化是不是導演有所設計？然後另外一個問題就是
一個問題夠了。
哦，謝謝。
Okay, this has to do. I'm so sorry. This has to do with the types of dances that are actually all the different types of movements. That there seems to be from more traditional Chinese to actually more, later types and different types of dancing. So why?
我用普通话回答，我用普通话问。刘宇乔到就是敲风到后面跳的那段，有点现代舞的，有点中国风的那种味道的东西，是他自己编的。然后
The choreography, especially that last bit, which has some Chinese flavor and tradition to it, and yet is very, very modern, it is actually choreographed by our actor Liu Yuqiao herself.
然后他来了香港才学到那些 locking 啊，还有就是香港的那个舞蹈，也是我们在座的一些演员，很多我们认识的那个跨女演员，就是 transgender 他们也会的一些舞蹈，他教了我们很多。他们很多时候会用跳舞来表达自己的身体。
Basically, dance and rocking was a way of expressing themselves, and it is actually also what Liu Yuqiao learned while in Hong Kong from some of the transgender people in learning how to dance.
Yes.
Okay, good.
是因为他没有他完全是剧情了，因为他在以自己的地方的时候，他没有办法学到那个，他去香港就学到另外一种舞，就那么简单。
Yeah, basically it has to do with location, right? Where he first came, or she first came from, Cyclone first came from. There wouldn't be the chance of being exposed to very, very modern and contemporary type of dancing. Okay, so it has to do with location. 好，下一個問題 ，next question. OK， 我睇到呢度啦，有啦，中間呢度。黑色衣服有黑衫嘅，係啦。
唔該晒。
唔該。
係唔該，我想問導演咧，喺裏面有跨性別嘅人士啊，個女主角呢度，聽到我聲音？
哦，
想問個導演咧，戲裏面個女主角係一個跨性別人士啦，咁佢想變性，咁但係後來睇到電影嘅後半段咧，似乎佢對自己嘅身份都好模糊，甚至同另一個女性嗰個嘅俗稱係妓女咧，就有啲好曖昧嘅感情。咁呢個對於忠於自己仍然好迷惘呢個身份嘅認同或者 到最後佢對點樣認同自己身份咧，到咗想睇下你嘅睇法。唔該。
This is regarding the gender as well as gender affirmation, as well as how this entire film from the beginning to the end, there is a change in how our character identifies sexually.
我覺得唔係跨性別人士，唔單止，其實我哋喺長大嘅過程裏邊，其實對我哋自己嘅性別都有好多嘅疑問同困惑嘅。不過有好多時候我哋會隱藏咗呢種困惑。
Actually, it is not just people who might be transgender, it has to be all of us. When we grow up regarding sexuality, a lot of us have a lot of questions, and also we didn't know necessarily how to express that doubt.
我唔覺得跨性別人士係一個特殊嘅群體，佢同我哋有一樣嘅靈魂，有一樣對好多愛，對好多自己身體嘅認知，對好多嘢嘅渴求，亦都有一樣嘅夢想。我認為性別係流動嘅。其實我哋好多時候喺街度見到好多人，我哋會好多時候用性別定型去睇，結果會製造咗好多嘅偏見同埋好多嘅限制咗我哋嘅想像。我覺得跨性別人士嘅故事係令到我哋對性別同埋對我哋自身都有更加多嘅想像嘅故事。
I feel that a gender a way of showing to us so that we can learn that they are actually sharing the same things as we all do.
有冇道理啊 Anna？
有冇嘢加？
講得太好啦。
Thank you, very good。繼續啦，
有冇咩想分享？
我都會想講嘅就係其實至於做唔做手術，至於我哋所謂叫做嘅一個性別過渡期咧，我哋會想去到一個咩終點咧？其實係一個喺我哋個社群裏邊一直都會掙扎嘅一個問題。有啲人會覺得我做咗手術我先會係女人，有啲人會覺得我生出嚟我個靈魂就係一個女人。咁我覺得喺戲裏邊，我嘅角色即係嗰個心理輔導嘅講嘅嗰一句就係話，我哋個想像力可以令到我哋更自由，就係希望大家可以咁樣用住自己嘅定義嚟判斷自己嘅身份，而唔係用住人哋嘅眼光去套喺我哋嘅身上，係啦，就咁樣意
思。Actually changes identity or not. No, because actually all it has to do with how we affirm who we are as ourselves, our own identity. OK， 時間真係有限，因為我哋真係有下一場，所以真係最後一個問題啦。你係咪有人問啦？到第一行中間呢一個，好，第一行中間呢一位，唔好發言啦，淨係問問題啊。
想問下幾位演員啊，喺戲入邊拍攝過程遇到最困難嘅地方係乜嘢
？What was the most difficult moments in making this film for our leading members of the cast？
最难的吗？其实每一段都挺难的，就从跟 Venus 学 Viking， 在香港我们拍戏的部分有很多吵架的部分也很难，然后在大陆的那某个地方，对，其实我觉得现在想起来最让我难受的是做治疗的，我现在看还是很难受，就是演的时候也很难受，看完也很难受。
Very hard learning to dance. Very hard, the amount of quarrels that we had to do between lovers. Also, especially hard was the shock therapy. That whole session, really, even looking at it now and thinking about it, it was still very hard.
我覺得最難嘅係可能攝影嘅拍攝嘅頭段啦，即係由舞台去到轉到去鏡頭嘅拍攝，有好多嘢適應緊啦。但係成個過程都係好舒服嘅，因為成個團隊都係一個好包容嘅一個氛圍。 咁所以令到我其實好快可以投入到。但至於角色上，我覺得可能係個身形咯，可能最困難㗎啦。可能因為由一開始想去減少少肥啦，咁啊導演就話唔使啦，其實你好瘦㗎啦。去到中間嘅時候其實你可以再瘦啲。咁可能係嗰段時間最難，但係係咯，所以成個拍攝都好愉快，好感謝呢個團隊同我哋一齊去經歷呢件事。
Thank you for the team that is really very embracing of me. Also, there is of course a transition from stage into filming. And actually, there was an idea that I wanted to lose weight, but director said, "Oh no, it's okay. You're already thin enough." But halfway through the filming, director did say, "Maybe you can be a little bit thinner." These things can be difficult, physically. Okay, 还有没？对。
最难的部分，我觉得每一场都很难，因为对我来说，这是我第一次演戏。
This is the first time I make a film. My debut. 谢谢。就这样了。
没有。好像是就这样。
OK，that's it。對，係啦。你都係演員啦，對你嚟講最難係咩啊？
我覺得最難咧，其實係喺套戲裏邊有一個先咧，就係講緊，就係我啱啱講嗰個就係話想像力可以令到你更自由嘅呢個先。我哋 shoot 咗好多，即係話拍咗好多次，然後我同導演個感覺，我哋硬係覺得有啲嘢爭咁，有啲嘢唔係好到位。咁結果咧就係嗰陣時真係由我自己個內心去攞翻一啲自己嘅 material 出嚟，而反而到時候演嘅時候，成個感覺就覺得順化啲，就係咁。
There were many takes in that counseling session, and very, very difficult. And after many, many takes, I just felt that there was seemingly something missing. Eventually, I just felt that I was dredging something out really from deep in my heart, deep in my soul, to actually make that scene beautiful. Thank you very much. Thank you. And thank you for attending the Hong Kong International Film Festival 50th anniversary.